So next one, once we start rolling, say back and forth, 5 times one side, five times the other side. Now you want to do is go away from the chair. I'll let Maria hold my chair for someone steals that for me, okay? Okay. I'm going to come here against the wall. We talked about changing our balance with motion, right? We want to move, change our balance position, get our body to adjust our gait, how we walk, how we move. Use the wall now. I'm going to use this line on the floor too. Brought some tape, but I'll use what the center gives me. Here, I'm going to walk first of all looking down just with my eyes, heel to toe. I'm going to stop every position, like in the wedding party. Here, stop, here, stop, here, stop. When I slow down my walking, when I slow down, do you think that helps my balance or hurts my balance? And why? Why would it help my balance?
Because you're standing up straight for one.
And as you go slower and stop, you train your brain to go, okay, now I have to work really the muscles, upper body, lower body. So I stop and then start again. If I'm going the whole time, the body can just release, but it doesn't really learn anything. There's no learning here. Okay, I want to teach my body that I want to be able to hold that in a position here with my upper body, my feet, to get that full sensation of rolling my feet, stopping, roll my feet, stopping, roll my feet, stopping. Again, I'm touching the wall for balance. Here, stopping, here, stopping. Okay, I'm also walking heel to toe a little bit too on this line to make my body realize having a foot go heel to toe, does that help retrain your balance faster or slower than if your feet are wide? What do you think? I think faster, based on having a big student loan to pay back later in my life, is because now your body's here, allows your body to really maintain center of gravity so that your muscles really work harder. Here, now you lose your overall width, you have a wider center of gravity, now you can just stand here. Allows things not to really work hard. Here, I have to really focus on, okay, where's my body going to go? As you lose your balance, you retrain your balance. Okay, does that make sense? I work with my patients, if they're like this, I thought, doctor, I can't do this. I'm like, you're doing it and your balance is retrained the whole time. When your body's under this type of stress, at that point it retrains it a lot faster. It goes here, learn faster. Okay, so you want to really push your body with these exercises. If it feels uncomfortable, good. Your body needs that.